Hello classmates! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon, yung i-discuss natin is partnership, no? Ano yung partnership, ano yung kinds of partnership, ano yung definition, and paano ina-atake yung problems related to partnership. Okay? Partnership, yung meaning ng partnership, i-define muna natin. Sabi ng batas, ang partnership is two or more persons bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund and divide profits among themselves. So, unahin na muna natin ang definition ng partnership, which is two or more persons bind themselves to contribute money, property, or industry to a common fund and divide the profits among themselves. Okay? Unahin na muna natin itong two or more. Okay, pag sinabi nating two or more, meaning, diba? Meaning lang yan is more than one. More than one. Kaya nga tayo bumubuo ng partnership, no? Kasi gusto natin marami tayo or may ka-partner or ka-partners tayo. Okay? Partner or partners kung madami, if two or more. Okay? Kung dadalawa lang kayo, you call yourselves as partner. Pero kung mas marami, edi mas masaya. Okay? Kasi yan naman yung meaning ng partnership. Partnership may have two or more. Meaning ng two or more than one. Hindi ka pwedeng makabuo ng partnership kung iisa ka lang kasi wala kang partner. Okay? Kagaya ng mag-asawa, isa yung partnership. Magkasintahan, isa yung partnership. Okay? Dadalawang tao, meaning meron kang partner. So, ikaw, may partner ka na ba? Okay? Sana all binibigyan ng fries, burger, tsaka milk tea.
Sana all sinusuyo pag nag-aaway. Sana all daw lang. Ganito kasi siya eh. Kapag nag-aaway kami, binibilhan niya ako ng milk tea, tsaka yung mga prutas, at tsaka hindi mawawala yung burger at tsaka fries.
Yung two or more, may limit ba? Example, 1 million partners, 2 million partners. May limit ba na sinasabi? Okay? Wala po itong limit. So, itong more than one has no limit. Kahit ilan ka pang tao dyan, kung gusto mong magbuo ng partnership, wala po siyang limit. Okay? Ang kasunod is persons. Ano naman yung person? Persons. Ba't may persons, coach? Kasi there are two kinds of person. Diba? Natural and juridical. Natural meaning yung mga tao dito sa mundo, isa lang natural kasi binigyang buhay sila ng ating Diyos. Tapos, they are called natural persons. Okay? Meaning nito is people. Yung mga tao. Okay? While the juridical naman is a person created by law. Ginawa sila ng batas, kaya sila naging juridical person. Meaning ng juridical also is called artificial. So, hindi sila mga tunay na tao. Example, Jollibee Corporation, hindi yan sila tao. Pero they have the juridical personality. Meaning, Ginawa sila ng batas, pinayagan sila ng batas para mag-exist sa mundong ito. A juridical person can be a partnership or a corporation, di ba? Usually, ganun naman yan, di ba? Partnership or a corporation. Pinaka-basic na example ng juridical persons or personalities. Ang corporation, pwede bang magbuo ng partnership? Hindi po. So, hindi ina-allow ng batas or even magsagot tayo ng mga problems, hindi po tayo makakakita ng mga corporation na nagbuo ng partnership kasi bawal po silang magbuo ng partnership. Okay? Ang partnership, pwede bang magbuo ng partnership ulit? Okay? Pwede ba silang magbuo ng partnership? Nga partnership naman sila. Ina-allow po ng batas. So, allowed po ang partnership bumuo ng partnership. So, two or more partnership may form another partnership. Okay? So, ang natural, automatic, pwede, no? Di ba? Ang natural, pwedeng-pwede kasi mga tao naman tayo. Ang juridical nga lang, bawal yung corporation. Okay? Number 3 na point natin is bind themselves. Ano itong bind themselves? So, bind themselves. Bind themselves. Ano yung meaning ito? Bumuo sila ng partnership. Ang bind themselves, nagre-refer yan sa pagbuo ng partnership. Okay? What are the kinds of partnership? Di ba? Kinds. Maraming kinds yan. Yung most common is business partnership. Yung i-discuss ko lang dito kasi hindi naman tayo nagdi-discuss masyado ng mga business law theory. So, more on partnership problems tayo. So, yung pinaka-common is business partnership just to distinguish the kinds of partnership at alam natin kung papaano tayo magsagot kasi alam natin yung concepts. Okay? Business partnership and another one is general professional partnership. Okay, dalawa to. Business partnership, meaning nito is binuo yung partnership for business, while the other one naman is binuo yung partnership for the general professional, meaning the exercise of profession. Okay? Exercise of profession. To contribute money, property, or industry. Okay, next naman natin, contribution. Kasi kino-contribute niya money, property, or industry. Isa-isahin natin. Paano natin i-value kung magsasagot tayo ng problems related sa contribution? Okay, ano yung una? Money. Kung i-value mo yung money, it is the cash received. Diba? I-value mo siya as cash received kasi yun naman yung fair value niya. Yung cash received na kuha mo or nakuha ng partnership. Okay? Next is property. Property includes assets or liabilities except cash, di ba? Pag sinabi mong asset, ari-arian. Ano yung mga ari-arian mo? Gusto mo bang i-invest sa partnership? Okay? Kung asset yan, i-value mo yan at fair value. Okay? Fair value of the asset received. Kung magkano yung fair value at the time na na-receive mo siya, yun na yung i-value mo as the value of your assets. Okay? While the liabilities naman, ano naman yung liabilities? Kung may mga attached na liabilities to assets, tapos i-record mo yan if merong if tayo i-record mo yan if it was assumed by the partnership. kung inassume ni partnership yung liability attached to the assets, meaning ire-record yan ni partnership. At what amount? So, at fair value pa din. Tapos na tayo sa contribute money, property or industry. Punta naman tayong common fund. To a common fund. Kaya ano yung sinasabing common fund? Yung meaning nito is the partnership fund. Meaning ng partnership fund, partners capital, di ba? Partners capital. Ano-ano yung mga pumupunta sa equity, di ba? Sa sole proprietorship, meron tayo nito, assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Pero sa partnership, meron din tayo, assets is equal to liabilities plus partners capital. Ano naman yung sa corporation? Assets is equal to liabilities plus equity, di ba? Corporate equity, including retained earnings, nandito lang yan sa equity. So, sole, corp, tsaka partnership. Halos magkaka-same lang sila, yung mga label lang yung hindi pare-pareho. Okay? Sa partners capital, ano yung bumubuo sa partners capital or equity ng partnership? Una is the capital of the partners. Capital of the partners. Ano yung sunod? Share. Share naman in profits. Pumupunta din yan sa partners equity or capital, di ba? Share. Kung may mga share ka sa profit or losses, dapat i-account mo yan sa partnership fund, di ba? Ano pa yung iba? Withdrawal. So, if may mga withdrawal, kailangan mo ring i-update yung partnership fund. Okay? Sige. Next is divide profits. Ano yung meaning ng divide profits? This is more on the partnership operation. They are discussed thoroughly sa partnership operation kasi sa partnership operation, dun na pumapasok yung P&L or pwede ring net income or net loss. Okay, ng partnership. And the last is among themselves. So, ano ba yung mga among themselves? Related ba ito sa among us? Among themselves meaning, sa partnership, meron tayong iba-ibang partners. So, there are kinds of partner. Kanina, kinds of kinds of partnership. Ngayon, kinds of partners naman. Ano-ano yung mga klase ng partner? Okay? Pinaka-common, hindi ko na iisa-isahin lahat kasi dinidiscuss naman ito sa business law and sa mga other subjects. Meron tayo ditong general partner. Meron tayo ditong industrial. Meron tayo ditong capitalist. And meron tayo ditong limited. Okay? Yung mga partners kasi liable sila to the extent of their personal property. Or sa madaling salita, hahabulin sila sa mga utang nila. Okay? Yan yung example ng general partner. Salo mo lahat ng mga possible na pwedeng maging consequences ng pagbuo ng partnership as well as the profits. Okay? General partner yung tawag dyan. Industrial naman, yung meaning ng industrial, yung contribution mo sa partnership is your industry, meaning your intellect, your management skills. Yan yung example ng industrial partner. Okay? While the capitalist naman, yung capitalist meaning nag-contribute or handa siyang mag-contribute ng money or property. Diba? Industrial intellect lang yung kinontribute niya, no? Habang sa capitalist, money or property. Okay, ano naman yung limited? Limited meaning limited lang yung kaniyang liability to partnership. Meaning if malugi na or hindi natin inaasahang malugi is meron tayong liability to partnership, diba? Pero kung limited ka, you are exempt or you have the protection of securing your personal asset. Kasi hindi na yan magagalaw ni company or ni partnership kasi limited liability ka lang. Hindi ka naahabulin as sa iyong mga personal assets or liabilities.